Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to save documents directly into your Google Drive from your Gmail. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up the email that has the attachments that you want to save to your drive. You're going to scroll down to the bottom where you'll see all the different attachments. And then all you have to do is to click this little button here that says Add to Drive. Now, most likely you will want to organize this document into the right spot. So we're going to use this Organize button. Worst case, it will land in your drive and then you can just move it around later, but this saves you a little bit of time. So you're going to navigate here to the folder where you know that it belongs. And then we're going to click move here and move, and now the document is in your folder. Now, let's say you forgot to click that organize button and you want to move something. You can always go back and see now this has changed. Instead of a plus, it's just a folder. And we can click on organize in drive, and we can move it around by clicking this move this item button. And then again, we will navigate to where we want to go. And one last tip I want to share with you is if you want to create a new folder for these documents, you can create one right from here and then move. And then you're all set.